We all know that rich, industrialised countries caused most of the greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere. If we're going to avoid catastrophic climate change, these countries need to cut their emissions fast.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Copenhagen Offset Centre.
But some countries are trying to cheat their way out of this by using carbon offsetting, paying someone to reduce their carbon emissions instead of cutting their own. This is unfair and it doesn't work.
Friends of the Earth is taking to the streets of Copenhagen today to oppose offsetting and to demand climate justice.
No offsetting! Climate justice now! No offsetting! We want it! Offset your carbon emissions here! No offsetting! Climate justice now! No offsetting! Climate justice now! No offsetting!
We are going to flood for climate justice.
We are saying very loud and clear that we will not accept false solutions, we will not accept offsetting. We demand climate justice now.